How much do homes cost in Peotone, Illinois? All right, let's dig right into the data. I queued up everything that's sold in the last 6 months. This is my Realtor back-end view of the MLS. So there's 29 homes that sold, ranging from 124,000 to about 690. However, that's like some land and farm type activity. So highest price actual just regular house was 600,000. And the median price, so we looked that up on the stats, is 310,000 is median price for Peotone. That could buy a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,200 square foot house. The most expensive house that sold was 690,000. And all right, so now let's look at the different price points. So I previewed some of these already. These really wouldn't be something that you'd be looking to start in. So it looks like our starting price point in Peotone is the low 200s. So this 426 Southwest Street is 2-bed, 1 full bath, 1 half bath, 1,200 square foot. We'll take a look at this guy. So as I do that, if you want me a 20-second introduction about myself. So my name is Tony Anczer, real estate agent serving Illinois and Indiana, all the way Valparaiso to Channahon to Palos Hills, the whole region. And if you do me a favor and just subscribe to our channel, it really helps out the channel and it will promote it for me and it really helps me out. We get lots of business from YouTube, so we appreciate your views. And again, we do these videos ultimately to help our clients and viewers just learn about the YouTube viewers, and it's actually the majority of our business right now. So we love hearing from you. And if you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button on the channel, it really helps me out because it lets YouTube know that people are enjoying this content and they push it out more. Okay, cool. So that's 220,000. So from that house, you see it's still going to be a little higher to get something that you don't have to do a lot of work on. So let's look at 255,000 is our next price point. We're looking at 207 North Glenview Lane. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot house. Take a look at these photos. Yeah, so we've got, I think, like 5 buyers and sellers right now that are on the market or buying a home, all from YouTube reach outs. So we love hearing from you guys. And if there's anybody looking to buy or sell and you think that sending them a video could be helpful, that we'd appreciate that too. And in the description, in the comments below, again, is my contact info and then links to other videos that you could do direct home searches for homes for sale, or I'm sure there's other videos that you'll find of interest. Like I've got, like Dyer, Indiana explained, Beecher, Illinois explained, community tours and all that stuff, and we put out new videos weekly. So I'm sure there's something in there that may help you if you're looking to buy or sell or just learn more about the area. Okay, so now we're going to look at about the $300,000 price point. Let's check. And 310 was the median price point. So 906 Louise Lane. Let's take a look at that. 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,000 square foot, built in 1972. Oh, okay. Well, it has a nice great room there. Nice updated kitchen. Like that Nautica blue color. This house has a pretty neat vibe to it. Could use some updates, but it's had some good updates done to it as well. All right, so let's go to the next. Okay, let's look at this one. The next price point will be $375,000. This is 1006 Mallard Lane, a 5-bed, 3 full bath, 1 half bath. And make sure you hang on to the end of this video, because as I do these videos, I'm building out a sheet here that has the pricing for each community. And so, like, if you're interested in Peotone, maybe you're interested in Crete or New Lenox, Beecher, and so we'll have pricing for all those. All right, so yeah, this at 1006 Mallard Lane, this price point is $375,000. That's a 5-bed, 3-bath, 1 half bath, 2,400 square foot house. This is a brick ranch. Oh, I'm saying it looks like a ranch, but it must be a story and a half. I like that overlook onto the main level. Okay, yeah, that's a little loft area with what they did there. That's cool. All right, there's a lot of photos here, so I'm going to fast forward a bit, and we'll see what this gets us. All right, so that shows us what 375 gets us. Okay, so let's go up to about $400,000 price point. 400. Here we go. Here's 410. This is a 4-bed, 2 full bath, 2 half bath, 2,600 square foot house at 715 Hickory Street. And okay, Nice. This has a nice layout to it. Oh, look how open concept that is. I get excited about that. I was surprised to see that, how open concept this is from the year of it. Oh yeah, this house has lots of nice finishing touches. It's got the trade ceilings, you got vaulted ceilings in the other bedroom, finished basement. Unfortunately, these photos have, you know, a filter on them to make it look a little bit cartoonish, which hides a lot of imperfections in a home. Okay, so that's 410,000. Okay, let's go to this one. I think that will wrap it up for this video. But again, stay tuned to the end because we're going to go to that summary of what all the houses in the area, how much homes sell for in various towns. So this is 2526 West Corning Road, 4-bed, 2 full bath, 1 half bath, 3,200 square feet. And so the taxes on this were $10,000. On the market 1 day, and you'll see like on the, I meant to show this. This is the stats for, that's not the stats. This is the stats for Peotone, and you'll see that the listing market time here is 10 days. So that is pretty quick. Or yeah, 10 to 20 days, depending on what stat you're looking at. That's pretty fast. A lot of people are thinking the market's real slow right now, but it's not. For houses that are priced right and ready, move-in ready. So yeah, so this last one we're going to look at is 2526 West Corning Road, 4-bed, 2 full baths, 1 half bath, about 3,200 square foot. This is obviously a good sized house. Oh, it's got an outbuilding to it too. That's pretty cool. We'll have to check how much land this comes with. I didn't notice that. Okay, and actually these are all the photos that they have. I do want to see how much land they have. Okay, they didn't populate that. And now, the moment you all were waiting for. What's the summary of how much homes cost in the various Illinois towns? So I do have this Illinois and Indiana. I'll just glance through at the end quickly, and you can freeze frame if you want to see or reach out and I'll send you the data. But so Elsip is $275,000, Beechers $285,000, Bolingbrook $360,000, Shanahan $396,000, Chicago Ridge $285,000, Crest Hill $255,000, Crete $270,000, Flossmoor $348,000, Frankfort $495,000, Grant Park $260,000, and that's the rural community Grant Park, not like downtown Chicago Grant Park. Hinsdale $1.43 million. You see there's a big jump there. Homewood $264,000, Joliet $254,000. LaGrange, we're at $510,000. Lockport $343,000. Matson $226,000. Manhattan $428,000. Manuka $350,000. Mokina $460,000. Moni $300,000. New Lenox $420,000. Oak Forest $296,000. Olympia Fields $339,000. Orland Park $450,000. Palos Heights $400,000. Palos Hills $377,000. Palos Park $535,000. And then we get to Peotone. Gotta wait for my screen to refresh. Here we go. Peotone $310,000. Plainfield $425,000. Romeoville $302,000. Shorewood $385,000. South Holland $230,000. Steger $170,000. Tinley Park $350,000. Western Springs $752,000. All right, since I have the Indiana data here, I'll just show it to you. Again, I won't talk through each of them, but I'll just click through, and then if you're interested, you could rewind and see that again too. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please hit subscribe, and please reach out if we can help you. We'd love to help you through buying a selling journey.